Italy.
Welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Here I'm showing you a Vegas branch of the upscale Italian food hall with restaurants, quick service, counters, and groceries located in Prudential Center. Yeah, some good food. You talk about good Italian food, good Italian wine. Let's keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching this video.
Italy. Kinds of tomato sauce on the steak. Nice, beautiful.
You gotta see this restaurant. It's so gorgeous with some plants all over, so much light, and also some delicious wines, delicious food. Yummy.